Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be looking at 5 Father's Day niches. I've had a couple of requests in the comments to look at this particular niche, so let's get into it. Now, if you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I'm here to help you create high quality, low content KDP books in the simplest way. Before we start, do me a favor and hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you. Father's Day is coming up towards the end of the next month on 20th of June. So if you're considering creating a book, now is the best time to do that. Now, Father's Day is a very competitive niche, but you can expect to get sales during Christmas and holiday period as well. Now, there are quite a few different types of books that can be suitable for Father's Day niche, and most common ones are hobbies and sports logbook, things like fishing diary or golf logbook, and then you also got things like planners or activity books like word search books, and you could theme those around Father's Day as well. So let's open Amazon and we will have a look at some of the successful books. The reason why I'm doing on each video because these books are already making sales and we can learn what customers like and don't like about them. So today I'm gonna review 5 types of books, and in the following weeks I'm going to show you how to make them. But if you already have an idea how you're going to make them, just get into the work today and publish your book as soon as possible. So let's go to Amazon.com, and for the first niche we are going to take a look into guided journals. A guided journal simply is a list of questions that will help you fill out the journal. For our sample, I chose this book. As you can see, it's targeted towards dads and has a very simple cover. Let's also take a look inside the book. So we have a couple of quotes on images, and then on every page we have a quote on top and one or more question on the body, and enough space to answer each question. And this book also includes a family tree at the end of the book, which I think is a very nice addition to the book. As you can see, this book costs $8.95 and has 108 pages. So based on Amazon calculator, for every sales, this author makes $3.22 per book. And let's also take a look at BSR, or bestsellers rank. So this book's BSR is 2,518, which is around 75 sales per day. And this means it makes around $3,600 per month. But even with this level of sales, the book has some flaws which you can resolve and make an even better book. For example, if I look at some of the lower rated comments, it seems the book has some typos, so that means the spelling is super important. Before publishing the book, take your time and use tools like Grammarly or Google Translate and make sure both the grammar and the spelling is correct. The next type of book I found for Father's Day is a jokes book. I know it's hard to believe, but joke books are selling pretty well during days like this and holidays. Now, I looked inside a couple of them, and some of them have some sort of design and image to fill out the space on each page, but in a book like this that has like 500 jokes, they squeeze as much text as possible on each page to reduce the number of pages and the printing cost. And there is no image or graphic. So based on how many jokes you have on your book, you can decide if you need any graphics or not. If you decide you need any graphic, you can use websites like Creative Fabrica or Vecteezy. I will leave the link on down below. If you take a look at the covers, it seems a mustache is a common theme. And let's also take a look at the performance. So based on cost and number of pages, the royalty is 1.45, and based on BSR or bestsellers rank of 1,930, this book makes around 2,000 per month. The third niche I chose for Father's Day gift is a notebook or plain journal. Compared with the last 2 niches, this one is pretty simple to create. Let's review one of the journals to see what we need to create this book. So as you can see, the common theme of these notebooks is a dark background and some funny text or codes on front. And if you look inside, it's a very simple plain notebook. So you can download the interior or inside the book from my Gumroad shop. And for the codes on the cover, you can either download a bundle like this one from Creative Fabrica or create your own using Canva's pre-designed text. Let's also find out how many books this author sells per month. So based on the price and the number of pages, the royalty is around $2.65 per book, and based on its BSR, this book has around $200 monthly earning. So this amount will increase as we get close to Father's Day and near holidays. I usually spend half a day searching for codes, so that's why to save you guys the time, I'm going to upload a list of Father's Day codes I prepared for my own book on my Gumroad shop. You can download it for the price you like from Gumroad. I will leave the link down below. For our next niche, I picked the logbook. So for this one, you can get creative and create whatever type of logbook you like. Some of the most popular ones in this category is car maintenance logbook, golf scorebook, workout book, and fishing logbooks. The best thing about logbooks is that they are super easy to create. And if you take a look inside one of them, you can see it's just 1 or 2 pages that are repeating. So you only design one page and multiply it by the number of pages on the notebook. So for our sample, I chose the car maintenance logbook. And if I search that on Amazon, you can see the common theme is again a dark background and a simple white text in front. Let's also take a look at one of the books. So based on the price and number of pages, the royalty is around $2, and based on the BSR, it has 123 sales per month. This means this book makes around $250 per month. For our last niche, we are going to look at word search puzzle book. So this niche is competitive and a bit harder to generate. But I promise you, with the right cover design and good quality puzzles, you guarantee a steady and continuous monthly earning throughout the year. Once you know how to create your book, you can make themed books like Dad's Word Search or Bible Word Search or Word Search for Kids. So besides cover design, to create the puzzle, you need a list of words and a word search generator. In this video, we are only reviewing the niches, but in the following weeks, I'm gonna show you one by one how to create each one, including this word search. Let's also find out how many books this author sells per month. As you can see, this book costs $12.10 and has 256 pages. So based on Amazon calculator, for every sale, this author makes around $3.32. And let's also take a look at BSR. So this book's BSR is 572, which is around 216 books per day. And this means this book makes around $10,740 per month. Now, I know not every book makes this much, but this is just a proof of how word search books are popular and how lucrative this niche is. So I know for some of the niches, the earning is just $200 or $300, but the good thing about these niches is that you will also get sales during the holiday and Christmas period, and people will still be buying these books on birthdays. So you will get all around year sales. For the pricing, now I noticed most of the books were priced around $7.99, so I would go for something around $6.99. And the reason why is to be different. And for those of customers that are looking for the cheapest book, you can be one of their options. Once you made some sales and have some good reviews, you can increase your price gradually. So thank you very much for watching, and if you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. Until next time, bye bye.